In question 5, we have to find the angle which is equal to its supplement. So this word supplement, what does this mean, this word supplement? Well, an angle is a supplement of another angle if the sum of the two angles is 180 degrees. For example, if you take the angle 70 degrees, the supplement of 70 degrees will be 110 degrees because the sum of 70 and 110 is 180. So in this problem, we have to find the angle which is equal to its supplement, which basically means that we have to find two angles whose sum is equal to 180 degrees because they are supplementary and which are also equal to each other. And a little thinking shows us that those two angles must be 90 degrees and 90 degrees, half of 180 degrees. So the angle which is equal to its supplement is 90 degrees. But now let's write out this solution in a little more detailed manner, the way you would write it on a test or an exam. So we can start by assuming that the angle that we want to find, the required angle which is equal to its supplement, let's assume that that is equal to x degrees. This means that the supplement of this angle, the supplement of x degrees will be what? It will be 180 degrees minus x degrees. So the original angle that we want to find, we have assumed it as x degrees, and the supplement will therefore be 180 degrees minus x degrees. Now these two must be equal. X degrees must be equal to 180 degrees minus x degrees. So from here we get an equation in x. So we have x degrees is equal to 180 degrees minus x degrees. So we take this term minus x on the right side and bring it to the left side. So we get x degrees plus x degrees is equal to 180 degrees, or 2x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now we divide by 2 on both sides. So we will get x degrees is equal to 180 degrees divided by 2, and 180 divided by 2 is 90. So we get x degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So the original angle which is equal to its supplement is 90 degrees, and the supplement is of course also equal to 90 degrees. So the answer for this question is 90 degrees, and this completes question number 5.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.